If you are uploading videos but getting 0 views, this isn't your fault. The YouTube algorithm changed in 2025. I know the frustration you spend. You spend hours editing on your phone, you craft the perfect thumbnail, then you hit upload, then cricket. 10 views, 5 views, sometimes just your mom watching. But here is what changed. YouTube now prioritized 3 specific signals that most small creators completely ignore. In the next 8 minutes, I'm showing you the exact 2025 strategies that took my channel from 200 views per video to over 2,000 views using just my phone. And I'm breaking down each step so you can implement them today. All right. Strategy number 1 is called the video outliner method, and it's how channels like Rick Astley find viral videos ideas before they blew up. Here is the thing. YouTube's algorithm in 2025 doesn't reward random uploads. It rewards videos that match patterns of content already performing well in your niche. The outliner method shows you exactly which videos are breaking out right now. So what you need to do, open YouTube on your phone and search for your main topic. Let's say your topic is CapCut tutorial. Filter by upload date this month. Look for videos with views that are 5 to 10 times higher than the channel's subscriber count. Screenshot 3 to 5 of these outline layers. Then analyze the pattern. Watch what is the hook. What is the thumbnail style? What problem are they solving? I found a video about CapCut short editing that got 47,000 views from a channel with only 8,000 subs. That's a 5.9 times breakout. I studied the format, adopted it to my style, and make my version. My version got 3,200 views in the first week. Here is strategy number 2. Most creators upload their videos and immediately share it everywhere. Big mistake. YouTube needs 24 to 48 hours to index your video properly. In 2025, YouTube's algorithm tests your video with small batches of viewers first. If you flood it with external traffic before YouTube finishes endorsing you, you confuse the algorithm about who your audience actually is. Before you upload, rename your video file with your target keywords. Instead of video 2025 1st November M4, name it how to get more YouTube views 2025 MP4. During upload, write your description first before the title. YouTube reads description to understand contents. After upload, wait 24 hours before sharing on social media. Let YouTube find your organic audience first. Then check your analytics at 48 hours. If your click-through rate is above 4% and your average view duration is above 50%, then start promoting. My video on CapCut Pro features sat at 100 views for 2 days. I didn't panic. On day 3, YouTube pushed it to thousands views. By week 2, it hit 21,000 views because the algorithm found the right audience first. Here is your strategy number 3. Sounds contaminative. Stop chasing views, start chasing watch time. YouTube 2025 algorithm doesn't care if 10,000 people click on your video. It cares if those people stay and watch. A video with 1,000 views and 8 minutes average watch time will get promoted more than a video with 10,000 views and 30-second watch time. Use pattern interrupts. Change your camera angle or show your screen every 15 to 20 seconds. Use open loops. Say, I will show you the biggest mistake in a minute to keep viewers watching. Make longer videos. Aim for 8 to 12 minutes YouTube. Make 8 to 12 minutes videos. YouTube pushes longer content in 2025 because it means more ad revenue. And since you are editing on your phone, anyway, use CapCut auto captions and zoom transitions to maintain energy. My channel average is 111% views duration. That means people watch past the end screen. How? I end every video with one more thing, and I add a bonus tip. Keep them watching. Here is strategy number 4. If your channel is stuck under 1,000 views per video, you need to niche down. Niche down hard for 30 days. YouTube's algorithm categorize your channel based on your last 10 uploads. If those 10 videos are all over the place, gaming, cooking, vlogs, YouTube doesn't know who to recommend you to. So niche down. Reset your algorithm profile. Pick one specific topic. For example, CapCut transitions for beginners. Upload 10 videos on only that topic in 30 days. Use similar titles, thumbnails, and keywords. YouTube will recategorize your channels and start recommending you to the right audience. When I focused only on mobile editing tutorial for 30 days, my impression jumped from 5,000 to 45,000 per month. Same effort, 9 times better results. Here is 2025 feature most creators ignore. YouTube auto doubling. Go to YouTube Studio, go to subtitle, go to auto translator, enable Spanish, enable Hindu, enable Portuguese. Your videos can now reach 2 billion more people with 0 extra work. My channel gets 40% of views from India and Senegal. Auto doubling helped me tap into audience I never knew existed. So let's recap. Number 1, find outliner videos in your niche. Optimize your upload process. Prioritize watch time over views. Niche down for 30 days. Turn on auto doubling. Your homework. Here is your homework. Find 3 outliner videos in your niche today. Screenshot them. Study the pattern. Then create your version this week. Drop a comment telling me which strategy you are trying first. And if you want me to analyze your channel data to find your specific growth blockers, let me know below. Subscribe if you want more mobile first YouTube tips. See you in my next one.